How to access your Prefetch folder on Windows. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily give access or have access to your Prefetch folder on your Windows. Let's get started. So if you guys don't know, there is this folder called Prefetch on your PC. So if I just open my PC and from here head over to C drive and then Windows. So if I go ahead and scroll down, here is a folder called Prefetch right here. So if I try to open it, nothing happens. So even if I try to right click and open, nothing happens. There is another method to open it. So open the Run dialog box and search for Prefetch. Once you do this, nothing happens as well. This is because you don't have the administrator access to this folder. So what you're going to do here is right click on the folder, and from here you're going to head over to properties. And on the top of the screen you can see different tabs like general, sharing, security, previous versions. You just want to head over to the security tab, and once you are here, click on advanced and just click on this change because it says unable to display current owner. You're going to click on change, and here you are just going to type in everyone. Once you type in everyone and click on check names, it's going to check it automatically and make it uppercase E. And once you do this, you can just click on OK. And after this, you can click on replace owner on subcontainers and objects. It will change the access to subfolders as well. And click on enable inheritance. Now click on apply, click on yes, and now you have to click on OK. So once you do this, you should be able to access this folder easily. And that's how you can enable or have access to your Prefetch folder on Windows. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.